Let's quickly run through setting the time on a BG-6903. To enter time setting mode, we're going to press and hold our adjust button. We'll hear the watch beep and we'll see our seconds start flashing. We can zero this with our start button. To enter the next setting, we're going to press mode. Now we can choose daylight savings off or on. Mode again will allow us to set our hour, which we can go forward and reverse. Mode again will allow us to set our minute, again, forward and reverse. Mode again will allow us to set our year, 2025. Mode again will allow us to set our month. And mode once more will allow us to set our day. Once we're done with all that, we simply press adjust once more, and now our watch time will be set. Thank you all so much for joining me in this quick time setting tutorial. I really hope that it was clear and helpful. If you're interested in more tutorials and watch related content, please do consider subscribing. Thanks everyone.